So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from the eaton, Geo and Cognizant and other important hiring. So if you are the freshers looking for important job opportunity, then you can just go through this video. First important opportunity, that is from the eaton. They are hiring for the role of apprentice IT role. So if you are interested, you can apply. This is a hybrid role and this will be your qualifications. The requirement for this is you should be having bachelor degree in engineering, B.Tech with either AIML, machine learning, data science, or simply computer science with strong AIML coursework. Means if you have done some internship and some projects, then this will be a good opportunity and must apply for this, because you know this is the era of AI. So if you have done some means if you have some exposure to cloud platform or other ML lifecycle, then this will basically give your additional, means it will increase your chances to getting the reward. So make sure to apply with updated resume. Moving to next important, that is from the Atro. They are hiring for the role of software development intern, React and AI. So if you have done, means if you have knowledge of React or basic knowledge of React JS, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, API and JSON, then you can apply for this. The requirement is you should be from B.Tech, BCA or MCA background, and final year students or recent graduates can apply. Means 2026 as well as 2025 both can apply, and these are the skills requirement, that you should be having good problem skills and knowledge of React JS and other tech stack. Moving to next opportunity, that is for the role of software QA engineer, and freshers are eligible for this. You should be have knowledge of SDLC, STLC and SQL and API testing and CI/CD knowledge. So if you have done also internship, then good things, but make sure to apply and share your resume. Remember friends, keep applying for various of campus drive. Okay, recently TCS NQT result has been out and many students are getting the result. First of all, congratulations to all of them. And if you got the interview call and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill our form. Form link will be provided in the description. We will provide you complete support and dedicated guidance which will help you to crack this interview. So nominal charges are applicable. So if you are interested, you can apply. Remember, either you are giving to mock interview with us or not, but you should give the interview to your other people. Okay, means either your friends, because it will basically boost your confidence in real interview. Next important opportunity, that is from the eBay. They are hiring for the role of analyst assurance AMI ASU TR technology, and this is the important job roles and responsibilities. So you should be having from the economic background and computer science or BCA background. So these are the background they are eligible, means commerce, engineering, electrical and other. So freshers are eligible for this wonderful opportunity. So make sure to apply as soon as possible before the link expire. And friends, this is just extension of the hiring from the Cognizant. So Cognizant freshers hiring for the analyst training, 3-year full-time degree program. Remember, for 2026 pass out, still for B.Tech off-campus hasn't been out. So whenever it will be out, I will provide update. But if you are from 3-year degree program for 2024-2025, still you can apply for that. They have extended the hiring, and these will roles and responsibilities. So requirement for is that you should have having 60%, and any 3-year program like BCA, BSc, CSIT all can apply. Moving to next, that is from the graduate engineer trainee role from the Geo. So if you want, you can apply for that. The freshers are here for that, and you should have background knowledge of computer network. Moving to next, that is from the Zensar. They are hiring for 15 plus roles, freshers positions, and for multiple roles. So if you are interested, you can apply for that, and just you have to click here the new link. Then new link will be appear, and you have to just provide all your basic details like resume and all those stuff. Okay, so moving to next important, that is for role of junior data analyst fresher. So if you are the freshers looking for a technical role and have knowledge of SQL and want to get good exposure, then you can apply for this. Salary will get around 5 lakh per year, means 4.5 to 5 lakh per year. Moving to last important, that is from the naukari.com. So they are hiring all the branches from B.Tech, BCA, BA, BSc, BBA, MBA, MSc, ME, MTech, MCA, MCom, MBA, MA, and all branches from 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029. If you are looking for some internship or some job position, then just visit to the naukari.com. You can apply. Okay, so this is just registrations process, and you have to do further communication will be basically given through your mail. So these are the same important job opportunity. For getting such important job updates, subscribe us. If you have any query, feel free to ask her. We can connect on LinkedIn or Insta or WhatsApp or whatever platform you are compatible with. You can ask any query. I will try to reply as soon as possible. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.